very hidden elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at the South Hill Village Mall. This used to be a Boscov's. Before that, I think at Joseph Horne's. It's like here in the corner. All the bikes are up here. Now it's an HT. Why am I not surprised? Sticky button. So the Schindler logo down there is nice though. I did film this last year, but I never uploaded it. Let's get a cab view before we go anywhere. Pretty typical Dick's Sporting Goods elevator, but still nice. Oh, that's pleasant. Oh, the cabinet's just open. Fans off, which is nice. There's the store. Let's see if we got a motor on this thing. Very sticky HT buttons. Very crunchy HT. Alright, it's going down. I think I called someone to get out. That was a fairly nicer HT. I'm not a big fan of HTs, so that was actually not too bad of one. I dug it.